Hi folks, welcome to the channel. I thought I charged my Bell battery, but it was flat when I got here, so I must have put the wrong one in. Never mind, I will fly my MD500. So yeah, let's see. 3D printed fuselage, Bell Electronics. I have my ATI switch here. I still have it here. I keep showing this probably in every video because it is quite handy, and I'm not sure who watches what video. So yeah, let's wait for some GPS and have a quick fly. I haven't flown in a while, so there we go. Quick rotate. Whoop. I've still got green. So yeah, ATI mode 1, 2, 3, and activate base. Try for a smooth takeoff. That'll do. I'm in ATI mode, of course. I changed the head speed to 75. I don't know why, but I just thought I wanted a bit more. Oh. Oh. Okay. Interesting. 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 What happened? Well, the hood fell off, that's number one, and this landing gear skid fell off. Interesting. Oh, there it is. Look at that, eh? Wow. Good grief. Interesting. Okay. Well, I'll need to have better clips for that then. I thought it was good, but but hey, it survived. Landed on 3 landing gears. Look at that, eh? Wow. That was quite funny. That was quite funny. Okay, well, back to the drawing board.